County traffic, Skunk 2 Sierra Papa departing runway 24. It'll be a left turnout northbound Ocean County. And you're going to climb to 3,000.
Ocean County traffic, got a Mooney 6 miles into southwest, ILS 6, and we'll be looking for that departing 24.
Add a little back pressure. There you go. And we are airborne.
And turn.
Yep, regular crosswind. Ocean County traffic, Skunk 2 Sierra Papa, left crosswind, runway 24, Ocean County. And downwind and climb to 3,000. Ocean County traffic, Skunk 2 Sierra Papa, turning a left downwind runway 24, depart in the air to the north at 1,000 for tree, Ocean County. And just fly this heading for now. And I'll tell you when to start following the course needle, but just fly this heading for now.
Sounds
74 knot climb speed. The pitch
Ocean
up
County
just a
traffic,
bit.
Mooney 3 mile final, 06, low approach only, Ocean County.
McGuire approach, good afternoon, November 292 Sierra Papa.
November 292 Sierra Papa, McGuire approach, require altimeter 3052, say position request.
3052 2 Sierra Papa is 1 mile to the northeast of Ocean County Airport. Request flight following to Newark Liberty International Airport. Type aircraft is Cessna 172 at 3,000.
November 2 Sierra Papa, squawk 0430.
0430 2 Sierra Papa.
I like that on the written that you gave. That
November 2 Sierra Papa, radar contact 1 mile east of MJX Airport.
Position checks.
I like that you asked what the ident meant, because I didn't know what the ident meant until that question.
There you go.
That was very cool.
All right. And you can start turning on course.
Newark Airport 8th information November 205 Zulu. Wind 230 at 8. Visibility 10. 13,000 scattered. 25,000 scattered. Temperature -4. Dew point -20. Altimeter 3052. ILS runway 22 left approach in use. Departing runway 22 right from intersection Whiskey, 10,000, 150 feet, takeoff distance available. GLS approach.
Alright, we have information November at Newark. Watch your course, you need to go a little bit left. Good. And we're on our way.
Remember, Yankee radar contact 10 miles.
So for those of you
McGuire,
just tuning in, Savannah and I are heading over to Newark because she has a flight to catch because she is a flight attendant for a certain company, which I cannot say because I know the rules and regulations regarding that. So,
Although this is for leisure. This is not for work.
okay, you're right.
But still.
Oh, but still. Also, I can barely hear you. So put your mic a little closer.
Alright, there we go.
Now we can hear you.
Alright.
So we're heading over to Newark because she has a flight to catch for work, and she has enough instructional time that it makes sense to give her that experience into a Class Bravo airport. Obviously, student pods cannot operate solo into certain Class Bravo airports, so that would be including the major 3 here in New York. But with a flight instructor who's pod in command, you most certainly can. As long as you hold a private pod certificate, and in this case, I hold a commercial certificate. So we will be heading over to Newark. Flight time looks like a whopping 17 minutes for you, you impatient kids at home. We'll probably be getting the handoff in about 10 miles or so, or less. Actually, it'll probably be less because of the Mode C veils coming up.
Number 2 Sierra Papa, traffic trigger 10 o'clock, 8 miles, southeastbound, altitude indicates 3,300.
We'll be looking for the traffic. So we're heading over. We are going to be operating Class Bravo airspace. So what are the 3 requirements to enter Class Bravo airspace, Savannah?
The 3 requirements for the cloud clearance?
To enter Class Bravo airspace.
Oh, well, you need to have the clearance from...
That's 1. Good.
I mean, you need to be allowed to enter it, like...
Right, the clearance. That's being told you're cleared into the Bravo.
No, but I mean, like, you need to have the, like you said, the... you need to be a private pilot at least.
Not necessarily. You have to have an endorsement to fly through the airspace. To land,
okay.
The airspace has to permit it. Why is Fox Golf here at 3,000? Alright, the other 2 requirements are 2-way radio communication with air traffic control. ADSB, correct. You do need ADSB out. And you need a discrete transponder code that's been assigned. So in this case, we have that.
Is that a discrete transponder code?
Yes, that's a discrete
Sierra
code.
Papa, traffic now, 10 o'clock, 5 miles, altitude indicates 2,300.
Still looking for him. He's low now, so that's good. And before this flight, I had Savannah do some Class Bravo approaches. I took her on a 3-mile final and made her give 120 till about a mile final. So.
Number 2 Sierra Papa, traffic no factor, sending through 1,900 and contact New York approach on 128.12. Good day.
2812, 2 Sierra Pop, see ya.
One, 2, 8, 1, 2.
Yep.
2812.
New York approach, hello, November 292 Sierra Papa, 3000.
November 292 Sierra Papa, New York approach, Kennedy Alpha 3054, state destination.
3054 Sierra Papa is heading over to EWR, full stop.
What's 3054?
Altimeter.
Ah, okay.
Delta 1395, turn left heading 130.
130 Delta 1395.
Delta 508, put a sequence, turn range heading 190.
190 Delta 508.
Delta 436, contact New York approach 132.4.
32.4, JetBlue 436, Chile.
2 Sierra Papa, contact New York approach 128.55.
2855 2 Sierra Papa, see ya.
Yep.
New York approach, hello, November 292 Sierra Papa, 3000. Right on their edge of their range ring to pick them up because we're at 3,000. So we're approaching the Bravo in about 10 miles or so. So I'm watching out for that. We're doing fine now. Worst case, we can
3296 Bravo, vehicle request.
Yeah, I don't hear it. So most likely I may make you go to 2,500 just to get below the Bravo until we can talk to them.
Okay. You can let me know.
I will. New York approach, November 292 Sierra Papa, out of 3,000 for 2,500. I'm not picking them up yet. Once we get a little closer north of the Colts Neck VOR, I usually hear them.
Okay.
New York approach, November 2920 Papa, 2,500.
Papa 1395, approach 132.4.
I'm sorry, say again? .32 out of 1395.
New York approach, November 2920 Papa's back with you. I wasn't able to pick anyone up on 2855.
Road JetBlue 1074, 11,000, 250 knots, camera information, Mike.
20 Papa, try 120.8.
20.8, 20 Pop.
JetBlue 1074, you're approach heading 350, vector Silas, T2 approach.
350.
44 Delta Hotel.
New York approach, hello, November 2920 Papa, 2,500.
Runway 3462, descend and maintain 2000. You got traffic 12 o'clock, 6 miles on the opposite base leg at 2000 at global.
Down to 2,000, we're looking on boy 3462.
Number 44 Hotel, New York approach, altimeter 3048, Quebec, turn to west.
Envoy 3462, traffic in sight.
Runway 3462, follow the global, service approach train 34, contact West Tower 18.57.
Follow the global to 34 over to tower 1857, Envoy 3462.
New York approach, November 2920 Papa's, 2,500.
4 miles on the base leg, descending at 2000 and rear.
Okay, down to 2,000, we have that traffic inside 823.
That's at 823, follow the regional, correction, Embraer, service approach train 34, and contact West Tower 18.57 upon reaching 2000.
Okay, we'll follow him upon reaching 2,000, go on the tower for exact jet 823.
New York approach, November 2920 Papa's, 2,500.
Number 9270 Papa, stay your position.
November 2920 Papa, 10 miles northwest of the Colts Neck VOR, 2,500, inbound Newark, November.
Number 2920 Papa, try 128.55 or 25.5.
One confirmed 128.55.
Yeah, you can try that. Let me see if that's the user.
Yeah, they weren't picking up before when CAMRN handed us off.
20 Papa, try 128.8.
28.8, 20 Pop. New York approach, hello, November 2920 Papa, 2,500.
2920 Papa, New York approach, good. Even Newark altimeter is 3053. What's your destination today?
3053, 20 Papa is inbound to Newark International with November.
Roger. Good night, 1442 heavy, turn left 040, descend and maintain 6,000.
040 down to 6,000, 1442 heavy.
East
Sterling 1215, descend to the 8,000 by the Bilbo 3 we have, November.
Put the mic a little closer.
1215, approach afternoon, ILS 22 left, altimeter is 3053.
Alright, so we still don't have the Bravo clearance.
New York, Flex 465, descend via Jakey 3, 11.5, and we have Bravo at Teterboro.
Flex 465, New York approach afternoon, expect the RNAV Yankee 19, altimeter 3052.
3052, we'll expect that, Flex 465.
And New York 20 Pop is looking for the Bravo clearance whenever you get a chance.
Two Toronto, I'm sorry, say again, I was on the line with Tower.
No worries. 20 Pop is looking for the Class Bravo clearance.
20 Bravo, you are clearing the Class Bravo at 2,000 and fly heading at 360, expect to be on the west side of the airport.
Alright, 360 on the heading, cleared in the Bravo, maintain 2000, 20 Pop.
Good night, 1442 heavy, contact the final on 2015.
360, very good.
United 1442 heavy.
Commander 96 Bravo, contact Philly, approach on 123.8.
There's 360.
238, thanks for your help, we'll see you.
Flex 465, fly heading 050, descend and maintain 5,000.
050 down to 5,000, Flex 465.
Spirit 1215, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000, Fairwing 1215.
18.3, in case we're not handed off to another approach controller. Mixture's rich, fuel sets both, we're good on that. So you fly this heading until told otherwise. Because now they're saying to each other, I got a Skyhawk inbound, and how are we going to sequence him in?
We're just going to ignore the green needle forever, right?
That's correct. Yep, so get back to 2 and really maintain 2. Be very much on top of that.
20 Papa, contact New York departure on 119.2. Get it?
19-2, 20 Pop, we'll see him.
12085, see you guys.
It's Derek. It's Derek, oh man.
What?
2000. New York departure, hello, November 292 Sierra Papa's 2000.
2920 Pop, New York altimeter 3052. That sounds like the one and only Joe Pence.
That's me, how you doing, EL?
What's going on, buddy? 20 Pop, flighting a 340 for just a moment. 340 heading, I'll get you over to the tower in just a moment.
340, you got it, 20 Pop. Maintain 2,000 feet, add a little power. Good, right
And
there.
340, right?
Yeah, 340.
Spirit 1146, connect departure 120.85. We'll see you guys.
2085, fair wings, 1146.
18-3.
20 Pop, it is November at Newark. The Newark altimeter 3052. Start down to 1,500 feet for me, please.
Descend to 1,500. We do have November on board, 20 Pop.
Thanks, Joe.
Alright, so down to 1,500 to go.
Alaska 285, 1.2, climb at 2.5.
Alaska 285, New York departure to contact. Turn to the right, turn heading 300, climb, maintain 10,000.
All right, 300, then up to 10,000, Alaska 285.
Less on the right rudder, you're skidding. There you go.
Joe, how was the flight up?
Uneventful, which is always good.
Yeah, I heard earlier this morning it was pretty windy out there, pretty bumpy.
I was flying this morning. The wind shear was real.
Yeah.
I love that it's your buddy.
Yeah.
Alaska 285, turn right, heading 320.
All right, turn 320, Alaska 285.
20 Pop, you can plan this heading for about a few more miles. I'll have a downwind leg in just a moment. I'll get you over to the tower in just a second, okay?
Sounds good to us. We'll continue on the setting, 20 Pop. And approach 20 Pop. They never told us what runway to expect.
I don't know what they're going to have you do, 20 Pop. Like I said, I'm going to kind of, like I said, leave on the setting a few more miles and then give them plenty of time to see what they want to do. Again, it could be 11. I don't know. The wind's 250 at 7 right now. I'm not sure what they're going to do, but there's definitely a full push for Newark right now, so I highly doubt it's going to be 2-2 left.
Yeah, make it their problem. I like it.
Okay. Alaska 285, connect departure, 12085.
Most likely we'll get 1-1. It makes the most sense. It'll be a land and hold short clearance.
So with a land, this is a stupid question, but I'm a little rusty. Land and hold short. So we land.
And hold short of a runway that's intersecting our runway.
Okay.
Which would be, most likely the clearance would be runway 11 clear to land, hold short runway 22 right. Is probably what the clearance would be. But we'll see.
Because it intersects?
Correct.
So we want to make sure that we stop before.
Correct.
Okay. We're not turning off.
Here, Pop, just got off the landline with a tower. He said he might give you 22 right, might do 11. I'm gonna put you on a heading here and let him have control for you. So 20 Pop, fly heading 360 and contact the Newark Tower 118.3. We'll talk to you soon.
360 over to tower 18-3. See you next time, Derek. 20 Pop.
Be good.
Okay, 1500.
4382, contact departure on 119.2. 19.2, see ya.
360. Good, right there. And Newark Tower, hello, November 2920 Pop is 360, heading assigned.
November 2920 Papa, Newark Tower, Newark altimeter is 3052, and a rate downwind, runway 22 right.
Right downwind, runway 22 right, 2920 Pop.
20 Papa, right. I'll call your base, turn to final.
You call the base. Alright, so we're getting 22 right. So there will not be a land and hold short clearance. So we're going to be using the runway that they depart to sequence us in. Newark Airport's right there. You're on a downwind. Maintain 1,500 feet.
United 463, wind 2706, runway 22 right at Whiskey, cleared for takeoff.
Add some more power.
2 right at Whiskey, clear for takeoff, United 463.
United 1752, Newark Tower, runway 22 right at Whiskey, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 22 right Whiskey, United 1752.
Tower, United 1429, heavy, schedule approach 22 left.
United 1429, heavy, Newark Tower, wind
So we have
2705,
November.
runway
It's
22
going to
left,
be...
clear left.
22 left, clear line, United 1429, heavy.
United 1676, right on Papa to Golf, hold short of runway 22 right.
Right on left turn off or right turn off?
1676.
So we're right downwind?
Yes, because the runway's to our right, so we're on a right downwind. And they're going to call our base, which means we stay on the downwind until that point.
Okay. So, very excited.
I can tell.
United 463, contact departure on 119.2.
If I see anything going on
Good day,
that's
United
questionable,
463.
I'll help you
United
with controls.
1752, wind 2705, runway 22 right at Whiskey, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right Whiskey, United 1752.
Delta 8904, Newark Tower, runway 22 right, full length, line up and wait.
Alright, 22 right, full
When
length,
you
line
make
away,
this
Delta
turn onto
8904.
final 422 right, you cannot go through the final.
172 on a 6-mile downwind to your runway.
Copy, Delta 8904.
What are you
Add power, maintain 1,500.
Breakout
So is it-
3651 right, Papa to Echo, hold short of runway 22 right.
Is it more important to be slightly above?
Stay at 1,500 for now.
Cessna 20 Papa, traffic 8-mile final is a regional jet. Plan to land abeam them, so expect your base turn to final about 5 miles.
We'll expect it 20 Pop, looking for the regional.
Is that them landing there?
4188, 22 left.
Possibly. There's a lot of traffic
runway
coming in.
turbulence,
Okay.
you're following a
So-
heavy 767.
We're
Wind
wait.
is
We're just
2706,
going
runway
to continue
22
the
left, clear
downwind.
land.
Newark's off our right.
Number
We're doing
488.
perfect. That's all we got to do.
United
Keep
1676.
that power setting right where it is. Looks good.
Disregard. Continue to hold position.
We'll hold.
Delta 8904, wind 2706, runway 22 right at Whiskey, clear for takeoff. Or 22 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, Delta 8904.
United 1752, contact departure on 119.2.
Going to departure, United 1752, good day.
Spirit Wings Lindbergh 4188, traffic on the right, downwind 22 right, landing behind you with Cessna.
Copy, number 4188.
Spirit 76, expedite off first available turn.
We're in evening, 76.
Thank you. Move up right behind that E170, short of runway 22 right.
Behind the 170, short of the runway, Spirit Wing 76.
Delta 1305, ILS 22 left.
Delta 1305, Newark Tower, runway 22 left, wind 2606.
We're staying at
Clear to
1,500
land,
because
traffic
of these
right downwind,
buildings.
runway 22 right, to Cessna. They'll have you in sight, landing next to you.
Delta 1305, clear to land, 22 left.
Lindbergh 4188, that's Cessna, you're 1 o'clock and 4 miles.
We're looking number 4188.
United 1676 Golf cross runway 22 right and ground point 8. Traffic will give way to you. Traffic's on a 3-mile right base to that runway.
All right, Golf cross 22 right and over to ground, United 76.
Breakyard 3651, traffic 3-mile right base. Cross runway 22 right, ground point 8.
Crossing to the right at Echo, recap 3651, over the ground.
Spirit 76, left Papa to Charlie, hold short of runway 22 right.
Doing great, Savannah.
Charlie, short of 22 right, Spirit Wing 76.
United 1429 heavy, hold short of runway 22 right in November.
22 right on November, United 1429, heavy.
Delta 8904, contact departure 119.2.
Departure 8904, see ya.
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa, do you have the regional in sight on a 2-mile final?
We got him.
Maintain visual separation, November 2 Sierra Papa.
Maintain visual separation with the regional jet. 20 Pop.
2 Sierra Papa, base turn to final, runway 22 right, wind 2506,
All
clear to
right.
land.
Base turn to final runway 22 right, clear to land. 20 Pop.
Delta 1305, reduced to final.
Reduce the final,
Flaps coming in to help you.
Lindbergh 4188, the Cessna is just off to your right now. They're turning the base to final for 22 right, a little bit higher than you. They have you in sight, maintaining visual separation.
All right, roger, number 488.
Delta 1305, wing up Cessna 1 o'clock and about 5 miles inbound to runway 22 right.
The displace threshold, just
Delta
keep the nose
1305,
coming
look
down.
Turning.
Yep, keep turning. 22
Cessna
right.
2 Sierra Papa, next arrival, runway 22 left. Behind the regional is a 737.
Roger, 20 Pop.
United 1442 heavy,
Beautiful.
Newark Tower,
22
wind
right,
2405,
right
runway
here.
22 left, clear to land.
22 left, clear to land, United 1442 heavy.
Tower, good afternoon. Lufthansa 402 heavy coming established status support runway 22 left.
Continue.
Beautiful. Arrest the descent rate a little bit.
United
Right here,
1283,
good.
runway 22 right at Whiskey, line up and wing.
22 right at Whiskey line for United 1283.
Left rudder, straighten the nose. Let her keep coming down. Hold it off. Hold it off. And flare. A little high. We had a little gust there. Pull. Beautiful.
Cessna
Hold
2
it.
Sierra Papa, when able, left turn off the runway.
Left turn off the runway when able. Choose your pop. Okay. So you're going to make your next left.
Lufthansa 402 heavy, wind 2505, runway 22 left,
So
clear
it's
to
going to
land.
be Golf.
Lufthansa 402 heavy, clear to land runway 22
Airplane.
left.
Airplane.
Limburg 4188, exit the high speed right on Papa, short of Golf.
Exit high speed, right on Papa, short of Golf, Limburg 4188.
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa, left on Golf, left on Papa, hold short of runway 11, remain this frequency. Nice job.
Golf, Papa, short of 11, 20 pop, thanks.
Spear wing 76, traffic hold in position. Charlie, cross runway 22 right, taxi straight into the ramp.
Landing light off, strobe light
Spear
off.
wing 76.
Clear. Clear.
Alright, cross 2 to right at
Good.
Charlie, straight in, throw wing 76.
United 1429 heavy, November cross runway 22 right, ground point 8.
November, copy 22 right, and ground point 8, United.
Nice job, Savannah.
1429 heavy.
Nice
4188, hold short of runway
All right.
22 right at Golf.
Your airplane.
Hold short 22 right at Golf, Limburg 4188.
Reduce the power a little bit, so take your time on the taxi here. There are plenty of hot spots, and we are told to hold short of 11. We got plenty of time, maintain center line. Nicely done. That was a difficult approach.
Limburg 4188, keep it rolling.
Check
Golf,
your
cross
mic,
runway
I can barely
22
hear
right,
you.
traffic hold in position, ground point 8.
Keep it rolling, Golf, cross 22 right, Limburg
Okay, there we
4188. And over the ground.
Kilo
Yeah, that
5,
was-
high speed right, Papa to Echo, hold short of runway 22 right.
Right, Papa to Echo, hold short 22 right, Delta 1305.
Yeah, that was interesting because it was like,
Lufthansa 402
it wasn't
heavy,
like a
caution
turn
right
and then a
turbulence,
turn. It was
Honda
just like a
777.
complete, like,
Yes, it was a 180 degree
Yeah.
turn.
Heavy, copy.
so I was just trying to navigate like, okay, so don't want us to overbank, don't want us to
Nope.
miss it.
Exactly.
So that was cool. So we just keep going straight, right?
Keep going straight.
And then up here, are we holding short?
Once you get to the runway. So this is called an ILS critical area. You can continue past the ILS critical.
Okay, don't have to stop, right?
Perfectly fine. Correct.
United 1283, wind 2503, runway 22 right at Whiskey, clear to takeoff.
6 Sierra Whiskey, clear for takeoff, United 1283.
Hello,
United
guys.
1699 heavy, Newark Tower, runway 22 right at Whiskey, line up and wait.
Line for wait, 22 right, Whiskey, United 1699 heavy.
And the controller even said, nice job.
Really?
Yes. All right.
Tower Breaker
Coming up
3559,
to a
visual
hold
22
short.
Slow down.
Breakout 3559, Newark
down a
Tower,
little
caution
bit.
way turbulence, Fauna 787, wind calm, runway
Keep going.
22 left,
You're
clear to
good.
land.
See where the
Line 22
red
left,
signage
Breaker
is for the hold
3559.
short? This the other
Cessna
side.
2 Sierra Papa, cross runway 11 left Zulu, hold short of runway 22 right.
All right, cross runway 11 at Papa, left Zulu, short of 22 right, 20 Papa.
United 1442
power
heavy,
across the
left
runway,
on Papa to
strobes on.
November, hold short of runway 22 right.
Papa, November, hold short 22
And
right.
reduce powered idle. That's enough power.
United 1283,
Good.
contact departure
Clear,
119.2.
clear,
Seat approach,
good.
United 1283, good day.
United 1699 heavy, wind 2503, runway 22 right at Whiskey, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, Whiskey, United 1699 heavy.
Okay.
United 1539, number
slow
3,
down, you're going to make
United
a left here on
1539 in
Zulu
Newark
and
Tower,
hold
2504,
short of
runway 22
runway
left,
22
clear to
right.
land.
So here's the other hold short, you're going to hold short here.
United 1298, caution way turbulence,
stop
runway 22
here.
right at Whiskey,
Here?
line up and
Yeah,
wait.
stop.
22 right at Whiskey, line up and wait, United
Okay, so stop
1298.
before the lines there.
Correct, because it's the hold short.
Got it. Thank
Nice
you.
job.
That was fun.
Stressful, ain't it?
A little bit, yeah.
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa, caution jet blast from the 777 departing downfield. On Zulu, cross runway 22 right, and then contact ground.
All right, we'll caution jet blast from the 777, cross runway 22 right at Zulu, contact ground 121.8 on the other side, 20 pop. All right, go. And you're going to continue straight ahead. And once you're clear of the runway, you're going to stop again, and we're going to contact ground. So caution
Delta
the wake turbulence from the
1305 Echo,
777
cross
United. Keep
runway
going
22 right,
straight.
Alpha to the ramp,
Add
monitor
power.
ground.
Echo cross 22
Keep
right,
going. Good.
Alpha, monitor ground, Delta 1305.
United 1442 Heavy, November cross runway 22 right, ground point 8.
Cross 22 right, ground point 8, United 1442 Heavy.
And power idle, slow it down.
United 1699 Heavy, contact departure 119.2.
And stop here. Once you clear the runway, beautiful. Ground November 292 Sierra Papa Zulu short of Romeo signature.
2 Sierra Papa, Newark ground, taxi via Zulu 5. You familiar?
Zulu 5, we are familiar. 2 Sierra Papa.
Roger. Delta 1305, Newark ground, taxi via Alpha to the ramp.
We're going to be doing Zulu 5, so keep going straight. You're good.
I see it, yeah.
United 1442 Heavy at for gate 102.
I think that was 3 at once. Delta 1305 into the ramp. United 1442 Heavy, Newark ground, taxi Alpha to the ramp.
Alpha to the ramp, United 1442 Heavy.
Delta 402 Heavy, follow the Heavy to the ramp.
Lufthansa 402 Heavy, follow the Heavy to the ramp.
So keep going. Not going to be this one, it'll be the next one.
Yeah, I'm glad you told me because I see the arrow and I'm like, oh yeah.
It looks confusing. That's why, yes, are you familiar? I spent an hour and a half studying this taxiway diagram last night.
Oh my god.
Alright, right here on Zulu 5.
Follow the taxi line?
Yep. To the right, beautiful.
United 2319, continue straight ahead, monitor tower number 4, good day.
Continue straight ahead, monitor tower, copy number 4, United 2219.
And it's going to bring us all the way behind because that's where signature is, so keep following the taxiway line. You can slow it down a bit. There you go. Just keep following it around.
A little bit of a hill needs more power.
You're good. And follow taxiway line left. And to the right. Alright, there's going to be marshals over there in the neon, so go straight.
We got 3470 Newark ground, went 22 out of Whiskey, taxi via Juliet, Romeo, follow 737, monitor tower, number 4 for departure, good day.
Okay, 22 right at Risky, Juliet Romeo behind the 7-3, we're number 4 over to tower, Brickyard 3470.
Good evening, Newark Tower, United 1572 Heavy over Teterboro for 22 left.
Tower's 18-3.
Watch that nose.
And it's 4:30 exactly! Oh my god, that's awesome, Joe.
Okay, securing checklist DLT, verify silent. You didn't have a hard landing, so we're good. Lights off, avionics off, 2 switches.